I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying environment and opening a terminal. First, confirm you're on Ubuntu 22.04 and that Chrome exists. Open Chrome, //settings/help to see version. Once done, open terminal with Ctrl+Alt+T and make sure you can run sudo. Type sudo v to validate credentials. Also, ensure you have network connectivity and roughly 100 MB free because packages must download. These prerequisites get you straight into the update flow without interruptions. Now proceed to refresh package lists. Now you refresh package metadata and perform the upgrade. In terminal, run sudo apt update and look for a Google Chrome stable line so you know the repo is present. Next, run sudo apt only upgrade install Google Chrome stable to fetch and install just Chrome's update. This avoids unnecessary package upgrades. If apt reports no candidate, you need to add Google's signing key and repository. Import the key and drop the deb line into /etc/apt/sources. List. Then repeat apt update. Finish by ensuring Chrome is running the new build. Close and restart Chrome, or reboot, so updated binaries and extensions load properly. Then open Chrome, //settings/help to verify the version matches the expected release. If you see issues, update failed, crashes, or old version persists, try sudo apt reinstall install Google Chrome stable to force a fresh package. Make sure there's no conflicting snap or third-party package. Removing conflicts and repeating apt update usually resolves stubborn update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.